It's
Is it?
it's loading.
It's loading.
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay, great.
Now it's
S-
visible now.
Okay. So today is day 24 and today is the last day of our basic month. अभी जो basic English सीखा था अभी तक हमने उसका आज last day है, ठीक है? So today we will review the simple tenses, modals and imperatives.
Ma'am,
Okay?
your screen is not visible.
Not visible? Let me do it. एक minute. Now? Okay. हाँ तो today we are going to review the simple tenses, modals and imperatives. Okay. The class will be interactive and conversation based, so be ready to participate. Okay. So let's review the simple tenses first. जो simple tenses है उसको थोड़ा review कर लेते हैं. तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल जो है इट इज यूज्ड फॉर हैबिचुअल एक्शंस, फैक्ट्स एंड जनरल ट्रूथ्स. ओके. जो हम हैबिट्स होती है हमारी, फैक्ट्स होते हैं, जनरल ट्रूथ्स होते हैं, डेली रूटीन होता है, वो हम कौन से टेंस में बोलते हैं? प्रेजेंट सिंपल में बोलते हैं, राइट. उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर ही शी इट है तो वर्ब के साथ एस या एस लगेगा, ठीक है. जैसे शी रीड्स बुक्स एवरी डे, कि वो बुक्स रोज पढ़ती है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे उसकी आदत बताई है. फिर आता है पास्ट सिंपल. पास्ट मतलब बीता हुआ, राइट. तो यहाँ पे पास्ट सिंपल किसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे? कोई चीज हो गई है उसके लिए यूज करेंगे, राइट. कुछ हुआ था या तो कुछ हुआ उसके लिए. यूज्ड फॉर एक्शंस दैट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. ऐसे एक्शंस जो पास्ट में हुए हो उसको बताने के लिए हम पास्ट सिंपल यूज करेंगे. जैसे ही विजिटेड हिज ग्रैंड मदर लास्ट वीकेंड, वो अपनी ग्रैंड मदर को लास्ट वीकेंड मिला था, ठीक है. इस तरीके से यहाँ पे लास्ट वीकेंड यहाँ ये एक्शन हुआ था, इसलिए हमने क्या यहाँ पे लगाया? विजिटेड लगाया. इसमें इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट वी टू और ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, ठीक है. ये इकलौता ऐसा टेंस है जिसमें वी टू लगता है, बाकी किसी टेंस में हम वी टू नहीं लगाते हैं, ठीक है. फिर आता है फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस. फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस जो है, ऑफ कोर्स अगर फ्यूचर है तो फ्यूचर के बारे में ही होगा, राइट. तो यूज्ड फॉर एक्शंस दैट विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर में अगर कोई चीज होगी ऐसा बोलना है हमको, तो हम फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस यूज करेंगे. जैसे दे विल ट्रैवल टू लंदन नेक्स्ट ईयर, वो लंदन को अगले साल ट्रैवल करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे अगले साल है, फ्यूचर है, इसलिए यहाँ पे फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस यूज है. इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? स्ट्रक्चर में आपको विल यूज करना है बिफोर वी वन, ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट विल, वी वन ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे रिगार्डलेस द सब्जेक्ट, सब में है ना विल लगेगा. यस, शेल लगता है फ्यूचर सिंपल में, लेकिन वो आई और वी के साथ ही लगता है, बाकी किसी और सब्जेक्ट के साथ नहीं लगाना है हमको, ठीक है. सो समझ में आ गया? प्रेजेंट सिंपल, पास्ट सिंपल, फ्यूचर सिंपल. क्लियर? क्रिस्टल क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रेट. ओके, टेंस डिटेक्टिव. अब यहाँ पे आपको मुझे टेंस कौन सा है वो बताना है. जो सबसे पहले आंसर करेगा इन द चैट बॉक्स, ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी तो है, मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा किसने आंसर दिया. तो चैट बॉक्स में तो क्या है, पता चल जाएगा जिसका भी पहले मैसेज आएगा. तो मैं जो सेंटेंस बोलूं उसका आंसर करना है आपको इन द चैट बॉक्स. जिसका सबसे सबसे पहले आएगा आंसर, वो है ना, जो है विनर होगा, ठीक है. मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा भी नहीं है. Why you are saying, मैंने बोला ना, when I will say the sentence then answer. Okay. Yes, first sentence, he plays football every Sunday. Present simple tense. Very good. Good. अब वंदना और प्राजक्ता ने पहले से ही कर दिया था, तो माहिल का मैं काउंट करूंगी, ठीक है. सेकंड इज शी बॉट अ न्यू कार लास्ट वीक. पास्ट टेंस. ओके, गुड. तहरीम वॉन. We will visit the museum next month. वंदना वॉन. अच्छा, फ्यूचर सिंपल लिखना है, हाँ. ओके. यस. They often go hiking in the mountains. Present simple. Aarti won this time. Good. एक minute. Disable annotation. Good. Next is I cleaned my room yesterday. Past tense. Tehreem won. Good. अच्छा तहरीम you'll have to add simple also. हाँ पास्ट में तो बहुत सारे टेंस होते हैं. कंटिन्यूअस होता है, परफेक्ट होता है. आपको यहाँ पे पास्ट सिंपल लिखना है. पास्ट सिंपल. आरती वॉन. गुड. आई अच्छा ये शी विल कॉल यू लेटर. प्राजक्ता वॉन. फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस. वेरी गुड. It's not past simple. अच्छा you said it for good. Next is he studies English every morning. Simple present. Vandana won. Good job. Good job. Okay. We traveled to Paris. नहीं नहीं. हाँ we traveled to Paris last year. Past simple. Mahil. Good. Mahil won this time. Okay. They will start the meeting at 3 p.m. Vandana won. Future simple. Good. She eats lunch at 1 p.m. every day. Present simple present. Mahil won. Good. Okay. I will finish my homework tonight. Future. Future what? Future simple. Yes. Mahil won again. Good. Um, he read the book he read the book 2 days ago. He read the book 2 days ago. Simple past. Very good, Vandana. Good job. No, sorry, not Vandana. Prajakta. Prajakta won. Good.
मैम माहिल नहीं है, मिर्जा है, मेरा नाम है
कहाँ?
MI।
हाँ हाँ, वो तो पता है मुझे. इन्होंने
अच्छा
माहिल ने एक्चुअली मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज किया इसलिए आप लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा होगा.
हाँ, ओके ओके।
जी हाँ, तो यहाँ पे कहाँ थे हम? He read the book 2 days ago, right? Prajakta won. Good. We go to the gym on Mondays. Good. Vandana won. Simple present. Good. It's not future simple. It's a present है. ठीक है? Simple present है. They painted the house last summer. Good. Past simple tense. Tehri won. Good. Sorry. I will help you with the project tomorrow. Good. Vandana won. Good job. She drinks coffee every morning. Present simple. Mahil. Good. Good job. Okay. He watched a movie last night. Vandana won. Simple past. एट दिस पॉइंट जिसकी टाइपिंग स्पीड ज्यादा होगी.
हाँ यस मैम, ये टाइप कैसे कर रहे हैं इतने फास्ट फास्ट.
जिसकी टाइपिंग स्पीड ज्यादा होगी वो जीतेगा.
हाँ यस.
चलो
मेरी तो
इस
एक्चुअली मैम 2-3 लैंग्वेजेस में होती है, क्योंकि स्कूल के कारण मुझे वो करना पड़ता है, तो मेरा तो
हाँ
वो
फटाफट
सिलेक्ट
टाइप
करने
करो.
में प्रॉब्लम।
मैम आप ऐसा बोलने को रखो ना, हम फटाफट बोलेंगे.
लेकिन बोलने में है ना मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा किसने पहले बोला
हाँ यस
इसलिए.
यस.
We will celebrate her birthday next week. Simple future. Very good. Vandana won again. They visit their grandparents every weekend. They visit their grandparents every weekend. Simple present. Yes, it's a simple present, not past. Okay, Prajakta?
हाँ यस मैम मैंने विजिटेड।
समझा। सही। I found my keys under the couch. Simple past. Very good. Yeah. Yasmin won. Good. She will leave for the airport soon. Future simple. Vandana. Good. He listens to music while studying.
टेनिस।
Simple present. Yasmin won. Okay. We played tennis on Saturday. We played tennis on Saturday. Past simple. Vandana won. हिचकियाँ चालू हो गई. I will see you at the party tonight. Future tense. Future tense पर कौन सा? Simple future, Vandana. Very good. Good job. Good job. समझ में आ गया, मतलब क्लियर हो गया ना अब? कोई भी अगर नींद में से उठा के भी पूछेगा ये कौन से टेंस का सेंटेंस है, कब यूज होता है, तो समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट? गुड. ओके. नाउ मॉडल्स रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. अब मॉडल्स जो जो सीखे हैं उसको रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट इज कैन. कैन को कब यूज करते हैं? कैन का मतलब होता है हम ये कर सकते हैं, ये वो कर सकता है, ठीक है, ऐसा हो सकता है, एबिलिटी या पॉसिबिलिटी बताने के लिए, ठीक है. जैसे आई कैन स्विम, मैं तैर सकती हूँ, ठीक है, ये मेरी एबिलिटी बताई मैंने. दूसरा है कुड. कुड होता है कैन का पास्ट फॉर्म, ठीक है, हम ऐसा कर सकते थे या हम ऐसा कर सके, इसके लिए हम जो है कुड को यूज करते हैं. और एक और चीज में यूज होता है कुड, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए यूज होता है कि कुड यू हेल्प मी, क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो, इस तरीके से. और अगर पास की एबिलिटी बतानी है तो आई कुड स्विम व्हेन आई वाज यंग, ठीक है, या तो आई कुड मेड डिनर फॉर माई फैमिली यस्टरडे, इस तरीके से कुड पास्ट के लिए भी लग सकता है. फिर आता है शुड. शुड मतलब किसी को अगर एडवाइस देनी हो, रिकमेंडेशन देनी हो, सजेशन देना हो, तो हम शुड यूज करते हैं. शुड का मतलब होता है ऐसा आपको करना चाहिए, ठीक है. जैसे यू शुड ड्रिंक मोर वाटर, कि आपको ज्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए, यहाँ पे एडवाइस दी गई है, इसलिए शुड यूज किया है. मस्ट. मस्ट जो है शुड के जैसा ही होता है, हम यहाँ पे भी किसी को एडवाइस दे रहे होते हैं, लेकिन वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवाइस होते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन होता है, ऑब्लिगेशन होता है एक तरह का, जैसे ऐसा आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा करना ही है, या ऐसा करना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. वो जो ही वाला फैक्टर लगता है यहाँ पे, तो वो मस्ट में लगता है, ठीक है. जैसे यू मस्ट वेयर अ हेलमेट, आपको हेलमेट पहनना ही चाहिए, इस तरीके से मस्ट यूज किया मैंने. फिर आता है मे. मे जो है दो दो चीजों के लिए यूज होता है. एक परमिशन लेने या देने के लिए यूज होता है, एक पॉसिबिलिटी बताने के लिए यूज होता है. परमिशन लेने या देने के लिए जैसे आई कम इन, यू मे कम, इस तरीके से परमिशन मैंने दी या ली, ठीक है. और एक और चीज के लिए कि इट मे रेन टुडे, आज शायद बारिश हो या आज बारिश हो सकती है, तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी बताई मैंने, तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या यूज किया, मे यूज किया, इट मे रेन टुडे. माइट भी जो है पॉसिबिलिटी बताने के लिए ही यूज होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी मे से कम होती है. मतलब अगर मे की पॉसिबिलिटी 80% है तो माइट की पॉसिबिलिटी 20% होगी, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम अगर इसको सही अच्छे शब्दों में बोलने जाए तो ऐसा बोलेंगे कि आज शायद ही बारिश हो, मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ पे हमने कम बताई है, राइट. जैसे इट माइट रेन टुडे, इस तरीके से हम सेंटेंस को बनाएंगे माइट से. लास्ट है वुड. वुड को हम दो तरीके से यूज करते हैं, एक तो हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन, ठीक है, जैसे आई वुड गो टू द मून, इस तरीके से। एक और विलिंगनेस बताने के लिए यूज होता है कि मैं ऐसा करती, मैं ऐसा करूंगी, इस तरीके से विलिंगनेस बताने के लिए। वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट बट वी आर सेइंग, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल यूज वुड नॉट विल, ओके। और दूसरा यूज होता है पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए कि आप ऐसा करेंगे, ठीक है। वुड यू लाइक सम, हाँ इसमें, सॉरी इसमें तो ऑफर है, जैसे वुड यू प्लीज पास मी द सॉल्ट, ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने सॉल्ट मांगा है, क्या मुझे आप सॉल्ट को पास करेंगे, ठीक है, सॉल्ट देंगे मुझे। और ऑफर्स देने के लिए भी यूज होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने सेंटेंस लिखा, वुड यू लाइक सम टी, क्या आप चाय लोगे, ठीक है। वुड यू लाइक सम पिज्जा, क्या आप है ना पिज्जा लोगे, पिज्जा खाना पसंद करोगे, इस तरीके से हम वुड को यूज करते हैं। सो मॉडल्स क्लियर हो गए सबके?
यस मैम।
गुड। अब मॉडल कॉन्वर्जेशन आपको करनी है यहाँ पे, पेयर स्टूडेंट्स इन द ग्रुप, आपको ग्रुप में पेयर करनी है। Give them scenarios to practice using models in conversation. Each pair must include 3 models in their conversation. अब यहाँ पे देखो मैंने 3 सिनेरियोज लिखे हैं, ठीक है, सॉरी 2 है, इसमें से एक सिनेरियो आपको चूज करना है पेयर को। एक मिनट, यस, हाँ। तो यू आर प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप, टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू कैन डू, व्हाट यू शुड ब्रिंग एंड व्हाट यू मस्ट अवॉइड, ठीक है। ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको क्या लाना चाहिए ट्रिप में, या आपको क्या चीज अवॉइड करनी है, उसके लिए आप है ना इसमें कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे। तो पहला ये सिनेरियो है। दूसरा है, यू वांट टू बाय अ गिफ्ट फॉर अ फ्रेंड, टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू शुड, sorry, what you could buy and ask each other for suggestions politely using would, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जो है दूसरा सिनेरियो ऐसा है कि आप अपने आपके फ्रेंड को जो है बर्थडे की गिफ्ट देनी है या तो गिफ्ट देनी है, तो आप डिस्कशन कर रहे हो एक दूसरे से कि क्या सही रहेगा, क्या देना चाहिए, एक्सेट्रा। इस तरीके से एक दूसरे की चॉइस पूछोगे, वुड से, कुड से, इस तरीके से, ठीक है। सो यस, प्राजक्ता ने रेज हैंड कर लिया है, तो हु विल ज्वाइन प्राजक्ता इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन? रेज योर हैंड प्लीज। यस, तेरिम।
Hi Prajakta,
Hi Terim, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you. So what's up?
Okay, what we will
Uh,
do?
I'm
That,
getting bored, yaar. Nowadays there are no more work for me, so I'm getting bored right now. So let's
same.
plan one trip. Is it okay
Yeah,
for you,
sure.
or is it
Yes,
possible?
yes, sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
So can you please suggest me a one place where we go for 2-3 days, like
we can.
outing?
Yeah, we can go to Goa.
Yeah,
Go to.
Goa. Goa is
Yeah.
your favorite place. Is it your favorite place? Are you
No,
really like Goa?
Goa, but I want to go Goa. I want to.
Oh, that's nice. Goa is my native place.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah, really. It's true.
वाह।
So, would you like to visit Goa?
Yes,
So, yeah, we
we will
can
visit.
plan a Goa trip, small Goa trip.
Yes, and
So, what do you want to buy from Goa, and what places are you explore in Goa? Are you research or something like?
no, I want your help. I never visited Goa, so
Okay.
would you help me to find a good place?
Yeah, yeah. Why not?
Mm.
I'm always ready to help you or guide you or like join with you and enjoying trip with you. So
Yeah.
we plan on 2-3 days per trip and we'll go there. Okay.
Okay, we will go on Sunday.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it okay for me? Yes.
Yeah,
Or
sure.
would you are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am non-vegetarian.
Oh, so it's better. Yeah, it's better for us because
Are you
there.
vegetarian?
No, no,
Non-vegetarian?
no. I am also non-vegetarian.
Okay, we will do non-veg party on Sunday.
Yeah, yes, yes. Sure.
Yeah.
Um,
I can bring biryani for you.
yeah. Okay, why not?
Mhm.
It's a pleasure. And also, we try some seafood because seafood are very famous in Goa.
Yeah.
It's a specialty.
Oh, really?
Yes. Seafood is very special.
Okay, we will try
So we
seafood.
will try that. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Would you
Also,
book?
drink is
Would you?
also famous in Goa. Do you want to try it?
No, 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 no. Thank you.
Have you drunk
My
yet?
parents, my
No,
parents
no,
will kick
ma'am,
me
not
out
it.
if I drink.
But we try.
Have you tried it,
No,
Prajakta?
ma'am, not. No, ma'am, no.
Okay, I thought
I just
I
kidding.
just wanted to know how does it taste.
No, ma'am, no, I'm not tried it.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am,
Great.
that's it.
Wow, that's
So,
great.
Terry,
Good job.
Ticket for
bye. Thank you. Yes, ma'am, thank you.
She was asking something. Terry was asking something.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
would
Please,
you
Terry.
book ticket for me?
Can you please repeat?
Would you book ticket for me?
Yes, why not? Yeah,
Okay.
I will
Thank you
book
so
a ticket and
much.
share it with you. Okay?
Okay, we'll go on Sunday. Be ready
Yes,
for trip.
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow. Good job, both of you. Just एक दो mistakes थी, ज़्यादा नहीं थी. Have you done any research yet? You should have said. Like, are you
Okay.
researched बोला था ना, उसके बदले have
Okay.
you done any research? बाकी
Yes.
uh, almost everything was correct. Good.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, thank you. I
Okay.
tried to use the model auxiliaries. That's my motto is that. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Of course. Yes, I saw.
I also use.
Yes.
Yes, you also used. Very good. Good job. Okay, Mahil has raised a hand. So who will join Mahil? Yes, Arti.
Hello, Mahil.
Hello, Aarti. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. How about you?
I'm also good.
So,
Ac-
actually, I am planning for a trip for next for holiday. So, would you
Yeah,
like to join? Would you like to join with me?
currently, I am in Kerala on the trip, and I ask you that would you join the trip with me? We will enjoy a
Sure,
lot.
I can join. I can join.
Yeah. Actually, I have been here since 2, 3 days, and I'm enjoying here, and I want you to join me also.
Okay. So, how can I join you?
I will send you the ticket and you will join me. But you must bring some cotton clothes as the weather here is very hot. And also bring some slippers for the beach also.
Okay. Would you suggest me what kind of dresses I can wear? Like
Yeah,
traditional dress
like,
or modern
yeah.
dress? Modern
No,
dress?
no, no, cotton dresses only. Short dresses, long dresses. Everything will work here. But the climate here is very hot. It's very hot
Okay.
here.
Yeah. Okay.
And the
So,
scenic beauty is so awesome. It's really
so
very
where can
nice.
I stay there? Where
uh,
can I stay there?
we have already a hotel. We have booked a hotel here, and you will also join me. I
Could
will
you
book
please check?
another.
Could you please check the hotels like rooms if there is possible for me?
Yeah,
Uh,
sure, I will.
okay, and
Okay.
yeah. Can I book my ticket?
Yeah, I will book the ticket for you, and you only have to come on that day.
Okay.
Just be ready.
Uh, would you book
Bring.
my ticket? Would you
Yeah,
book my
yeah,
ticket?
I will.
Okay.
Okay, we will
So
go. We will go to beach, and we will also. Actually, the hotel in which I am staying is also having the swimming pool. Right now, I am dipping my feet in that,
So
as
I
it's
should
very
bring
hot.
like cotton clothes there. I should
Yeah,
bring
cotton
cotton
clothes.
clothes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
should I bring
Co-
cotton clothes? Okay.
And
And
also,
what kind
also,
of scenario beauty is there which
it's
I can
very
see there?
beautiful. Yeah, it's very
Scenic
beautiful.
beauty.
You would love that. You would
I would
definitely
love
love
that.
that. Yeah, yeah, definitely you would
Okay.
love that.
Actually,
Okay,
someone
that.
told me there is so that time Kerala has so much summer, so might be possible you have go outside because there is so much
No,
hot,
no, no, it's not like that. It's
sun,
not like that.
scorching hot
32.
there.
No, no, it's 31, 32 degree. Or,
Oh, that is okay
yeah,
for
yeah.
me.
Yesterday I was in the houseboat and we went to the backwaters and stayed in the houseboat whole night. The weather
Okay.
was so cool and the cool wind was coming. We were feeling
Oh,
the breeze.
that's great.
Yeah,
Oh,
you will.
okay.
Later we
So,
will also go.
so I
Later
should
we
join to you. I
Okay,
should
later
join
we
to
will
you.
also go to Munnar as it's very cold, and you should bring some warm clothes for a day or two,
Okay. Okay.
as the temperature as that is the hilly area.
So can you
And
book my ticket? Book
yeah,
my
yeah, I
ticket?
will. I definitely, definitely.
Okay.
I would love to.
You
I
book my
would love
ticket,
you will
then I
join me.
will pay you by my Google account. I will pay you after.
Okay, okay. There is no issue.
You send
Well,
me the details after I will pay you.
okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Would you like to come through train or by bus? Sorry, by
Yeah, which
air.
is convenient. I would like to go by there, which is
Uh,
convenient for me.
air will be convenient.
Okay. So then I go by air,
The
and
Kerala
I
is
think I will reach
nearby.
early time.
Yes, Kerala is
Yes, Bangalore.
like
Yes,
neighbor state, right? To the
yes,
Bangalore.
ma'am. So I will reach on time, and my time has saved. I will be saved. So I will prefer um air
Air.
ticket.
Okay, 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 done.
Okay, thank you so
See you
much.
soon.
Yeah, same here. See you.
Wow. Good job, both of you. Yeah, you really are in Kerala, Mahil.
Yes, ma'am. Currently, I am in Kerala.
Okay, that's why you were not joining the class. You are
Yeah,
in
that's
on your
why.
vacation.
Yeah, firstly I was in Punjab, then in Delhi. Now I am in
Okay.
Kerala.
Okay, so you said the weather is hot there. So is it really
Too
hot?
hot, but not that much of hot that we could not bear.
Okay.
It's
So
bearable hot.
I have heard like in the south side there is always like not much cold in the winters also, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's they don't use the sweaters or anything here. There is only a hill station, Munnar, where we can use the winter clothes. Only
I
a single layer,
I
not
really
like
want to
us.
visit Kerala. I have heard so much about it.
I have been before 8 years, but that time I didn't see this much of everything. This time I am in Trivandrum. I actually am with my husband this time. Last time I was with my brother.
Okay.
So my husband showed me everything.
Okay, okay. Yes, that happens. That's really good. I would love to go there and watch the, beauty of nature. I really love nature. So inshallah I'll
Yeah,
go
after
there.
Kashmir, I think Kerala is. Yeah, after Kashmir, Kerala is beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. After Kashmir.
Yes, our
But
Kashmir is
Kashmir
really
is
very
called
beautiful.
heaven of India, right? So of course we
But
cannot
that's
deny
really
that.
beautiful. Actually, they have maintained the beauty over here. There is greenery everywhere, in every corner, in every house, in every hotel. There was greenery,
Like in the
and
in Kashmir or Kerala.
in Kerala,
Yes, ma'am. In Kerala,
Kerala,
every house has greenery. So much
greenery.
greenery.
Yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
true.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
A very
They have
beautiful house.
maintained
Yeah.
the beauty.
Yeah, scenic beauty is there in Kerala. Last year I have visited, so I have seen so many beautiful house I have seen there.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
I also visited Kerala. It's very beautiful place.
So I'll have to do the checklist in my bucket list also for Kerala. एक और चीज ऐड हो
Oh,
गई
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Especially the boat
Yes,
house.
ma'am.
Boat
Please.
house is very beautiful. boat. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you will really
Backwater and
love
boat.
it. You will really love it. Actually,
Yes,
I
What
ma'am.
came
You would
from a
love it.
very cold place. I
what
just
is
feel
it?
this hot.
A boat house is what? Like what is it?
It is a house as we have in Kashmir. We have
Yes,
houseboat.
like we
The same is here, but the structure of
stay.
the boat is different.
Like it's like a yacht.
No,
No,
it's
no,
like
it's
a
like a
boat.
boat, ma'am.
Boat. It moves in the backwater
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the day, and at night it stays at one place. We
And you
had the
can
dinner
sing
winner
a song
there.
there, you can dance there,
Yeah.
and they will make food for you, whatever you want. So you can enjoy there, like just like that, ma'am.
Then in the
Okay, okay.
morning they again roam in that backwater areas, and we have to leave at 9 a.m.
Okay. That's
And but it's
Yes,
interesting.
very
ma'am.
costly. Yeah, that's very costly.
Costly, yeah, of course,
Yeah,
because it's a tourist place, right?
yeah.
That's great. So yes, inshallah, I'll go there. When I'll go, I'll
Uh,
inform you guys.
yeah. Currently, I am at Varkala Beach. We have boarded a hotel, and the from the balcony I can see the waves of the sea.
Wow, I love sea, the scenario of the sea and the voice it come and the wind that comes from the sea.
Ma'am,
Like,
I will send you the videos tomorrow.
okay, send in the night practice group, okay?
Okay.
Everyone will love to see it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow I
Okay.
will send.
Okay, good. Good job, both of you, Aarti and Mahil. It was really interesting conversation. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, who's going to do next? Vandana and Mohita is left. So you guys start your conversation. Which topic you're going to choose?
Ma'am, I'm not left.
Sorry. Vandana, you
Ma'am,
are done.
I'm not left.
You are not well.
I think network issues here.
Your network
Ma'am.
issues there. Okay, so okay, no problem, Vandana. So Yasmin, can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Yasmin and Mohita,
Okay, ma'am.
start.
Hi, Mohita.
Mohita, please unmute your mic and say something.
Hi, Yasmin. How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I also fine, Yasmin.
Okay. What's going on?
Actually, my son is
Okay, what is your son?
my son.
Okay,
मैम
please.
मुझे ये
please
बोलना है कि मेरा सन आज ना मेरा बेटा आज पिकनिक पर गया था और वो बहुत थक गया है तो वो मुझे बहुत परेशान कर रहा है उसके पैर बहुत तो
My
मैं
son
उसको कैसे बोल
my son went to the picnic and he is so tired and he's bothering me so much right now.
ओके
Okay, that sounds sad. Okay, well, will we decide for going somewhere to enjoying our holidays?
ओके आई विल
Okay.
जॉइन यू
Okay. Where we will go?
कैन वी
Which?
गो
Okay, tell me.
भोपाल
Where?
सॉरी भोपाल
Okay, Bhopal.
इट्स
अच्छा.
वेरी नाइस सिटी इज भोपाल
Oh, I didn't see क्या बोलते देखी. I didn't क्या बोलते मैम कि मैं नहीं देखी.
I haven't been there. I haven't
Okay,
been there.
I haven't been there. Okay, I think we decided to going for Kerala and Mangalore.
ओके
Okay, I love Kerala and Mangalore.
कैन आई गो कैन वी गो शिमला
That's really amazing. Okay, when we will go?
on Fab last
Okay.
In the
So
ending
you
of
should have to
February, you can say. In the end of February or in the
In the
ending of
end of February. In
yeah.
the end of February. In the end of February, we will go.
okay.
And
Okay.
you should take some winter wear,
You
woolen
also
wear,
take. Can you suggest me
jackets,
jackets?
shawl,
Okay.
and one and two small size of blanket.
Okay. I should take.
Hmm.
We will enjoy and we will shop. क्या बोलते हैं मैम शॉपिंग
Mall
करेंगे.
road. Shopping
We'll
at the
do
mall road.
we will do shopping.
We will do shopping and enjoying and seeing everything and take pictures for memories.
Kufri.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Same here.
Good. Good job, both of you. Mall Road is really famous.
या एक्चुअली मैम मैं जा चुकी हूँ वहां पर. तो मॉल रोड कुफरी मतलब बहुत बहुत
It's in
शिमला का बहुत फेमस प्लेस है.
yeah, like I had seen a vlog of Pakistan, ठीक है. और पाकिस्तान में भी कश्मीर है ना, तो वहां पे मरी है. जैसे यहाँ पे शिमला है ना, वहां पे मरी है. वहां पे भी मॉल रोड है. तो मैंने मॉल रोड वहां पे सुना, फिर आप लोगों के मुंह से भी मॉल रोड सुन रही हूँ. तो यहाँ पे भी और वहां पे भी है, दोनों जगह पे है मॉल रोड.
एक्चुअली मॉल ऐसा कुछ मॉल है ही नहीं है वो वहां पर कुछ भी. बस वो
इट्स
रोड का ही नाम है मॉल रोड.
लेकिन कुछ होगा उसका मतलब, मॉल का मतलब कुछ होगा
पहले
वहां पे.
कभी फ्यूचर में जब फॉरेनर्स थे ना दैट टाइम जब हमारे यहाँ ब्रिटिश रूलर थे तब वहां पे कभी मॉल था शायद.
हाँ.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
वहां पे कोई ऐसा कुछ शायद ऐसा सुना है हमने. और एक हॉरर प्लेस भी वहां पर और उन्होंने बताया था मुझे कि वहां पर एक वेल था और उसमें है ना कैदी जो होते थे उनको सजा दी जाती थी बहुत बहुत पुराने टाइम में. तो वो बहुत
अच्छा.
एक हॉरर प्लेस ही लगा मुझे वो कि हाँ सच में ऐसा फील ऐसी कुछ वाइब्स आ रही है.
डराओ मत अभी.
नो
चलो.
नो मैम एक्चुअली मैं चित्तौड़ गई थी तो वहां पे भी वो रानी जो पद्मावती का जौहर कुंड उंड ये सब मैंने देखा तो मैं फील करने लगी कि कैसे जौहर किया होगा इतने सारे 10,000 रानियों के साथ में.
Yeah, that's really tragic. I have seen that movie.
राजा करते क्या होंगे उस टाइम कुछ नहीं होता होगा तो.
Curious kid. Okay, so imperatives को थोड़ा कैचअप कर लेते हैं. कमांड्स देने के लिए यूज होता है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट जैसे स्टॉप टॉकिंग, क्लोज द डोर, ये सारे कमांड्स हमने कल खेला था, इफ यू रिमेम्बर. फिर रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए यूज होते हैं imperatives, जैसे प्लीज पास द सॉल्ट, कुड यू ओपन द विंडो प्लीज, इस तरीके से. इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने के लिए यूज होते हैं, जैसे टर्न लेफ्ट एट द कॉर्नर, मिक्स द फ्लावर एंड शुगर. एडवाइस देने के लिए बी केयरफुल व्हेन क्रॉसिंग द रोड, टेक योर टाइम विद दिस डिसीजन. और इनविटेशन, कम टू माय पार्टी, जॉइन अस फॉर लंच टुमारो. इस तरीके से ये 5 यूजेस इसके इम्पेरेटिव के होते हैं. इसमें किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है? ये क्लियर हो गया है सबका? इम्पेरेटिव, कमांड्स एंड रिक्वेस्ट.
यस मैम.
गुड. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे आपको इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस को सॉर्ट करना है, ठीक है. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, जो है इसमें कमांड्स है, रिक्वेस्ट है, इंस्ट्रक्शन है, एडवाइस है या इनविटेशन है. मुझे जो है आपको आंसर करना है. सब एक साथ मिलकर आंसर करेंगे, ठीक है. फर्स्ट इज मिक्स द इंग्रेडिएंट्स केयरफुली. विच वन इज दिस?
Command.
इट्स नॉट कमांड.
Advice.
Advice.
It's a kind of instruction.
Instructions.
Inspection.
Instruction. Good. Second, please turn off the lights.
Request.
Request.
Request. Good. Come to the meeting at 2 p.m.
Command.
Command.
Command. Don't forget to lock the door.
Command.
Advice.
Instruction.
Instruction.
Instruction
Not
ma'am.
instruction.
Instruction ma'am.
It's command, ma'am.
No.
Advice.
Yes, advise. It's a advice. Don't forget to lock the door. Door lock करना मत भूलना. तो यहाँ पे क्या एडवाइस दी ना हमने सामने वाले को. Be patient with the results.
Advice.
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 Advise. Good. Let's go to the beach tomorrow. Let's
Command.
Requ-
Invitation.
Command ma'am.
Invitation.
Invitation भी हो सकता है, request भी हो सकता है.
एडवाइस है ना. चलो कल बीच पे चलते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah, suggestion है. It's kind of suggestion. Could you pass the water, please?
Request.
Request.
Request. Stop running in the hallway.
Command.
Command. Close the window.
Command.
Command.
Please give me the book.
Request.
Request.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Command.
Instruction.
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 Instruction. Be quiet during the movie.
Command.
Command. Advice.
Advise.
Mm.
Could you help me with my homework?
Request.
Request.
Request. Take care when driving.
Instruction.
Join us for dinner tonight.
Invitation.
Invitation. Good job.
Invitation.
Good job, everyone.
Ma'am, take care when driving. Instruction है या advice है?
It's a advice ना.
Advice ना? Okay.
हाँ advice. हाँ. अब यहाँ पे सिनेरियो है. सिनेरियो के लिए चलो let's take out some time. 15 minutes are there. Okay. So यहाँ पे सिनेरियो है again. अब इसमें आपको क्या करना है? You'll have to use all the imperatives, models, tenses. मतलब जो अभी आप वही यूज कर रहे थे लेकिन इसमें भी try to use them more. तो 3 सिनेरियो है. एक सिनेरियो है you are at a restaurant, order your favorite dish and ask for the bill. ठीक है. दूसरा सिनेरियो है you missed your bus, talk to a friend about what you should do next. And third is you're helping your younger sibling with their homework, give them some advice using should or must. Okay. इसमें से कोई भी एक सिनेरियो आपको चूज करना है. You'll have to act it out accordingly. So yes, who is going to start the conversation now? Prajakta and okay, Tehrim and Prajakta start.
Hello, Prajakta.
You start the conversation. I'm just coming. Okay, you just start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi,
Okay.
Prajakta.
Hi, Tehreem. What's up?
Can you go to the restaurant?
Yeah. Can we go to the restaurant?
Yeah, I asked you, can we go to the
Yes. Why not?
which
Which
restaurant?
restaurant?
Hello.
Which type of restaurant can we go? Like non-vegetarian or veg?
We will go to non-vegetarian restaurant.
Okay. So, would you like to try some non-veg?
In our last
Seafood.
conversation, you mentioned about seafood, so we will order
Yeah, so we will order the thali.
which thali?
Surmai thali.
Surmai thali.
Like
Okay,
it?
I tried surmai thali, but I will try now. Okay, yeah, we can order.
Okay. Yeah, it's too much good and it too much delicious actually. So you
Have
can
you
try
tried
it.
surmai thali?
Yes, I already tried it. It's delicious.
Oh, okay, then we will order this.
Yes.
Order
So
2 plates, 2
yeah,
thalis.
yes. I will order it. Okay.
Okay, yeah, order.
So that's it.
Ask the waiter to pass me the bill.
Yeah. Okay. Can you please pass me the bill? Is it okay?
Are you asking to waiter?
Yes.
Yeah, invisible waiter.
Yes.
Let's
Anyone
not say
join?
Bill
Anyone
because
join
waiter is
with us?
invisible.
Anyone want to join with us?
Me, I
Yes,
want to
please
join with
unmute
you.
your mic and join us.
Me, I also want to go with you.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
Yes.
also want to.
Join.
I know who I am. You
You
know who
don't
I
know
am.
who you are?
No, no, I am asking you who I am.
Okay,
Vandana.
yeah, Vandana.
Yeah. Where
Your
we
cat ate Chuva.
what?
I mean, rat.
No one other, matlab no one join with us. Like only Vandana want to join with
And
us.
Yasmin
Yes, I
also.
am. I am joining you guys.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
Yasmin.
am also
Yasmin, are you
joining you.
there? Yeah, Aarti, are you also there?
Yes.
Yeah,
So can we plan one kitty party?
yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
sure. We can
Where we
plan.
will meet.
Um, are you guys decide? I'm always ready to join with you.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So we will meet at mall.
Okay, everyone,
Yeah, yeah. Is it okay
everyone
for
join us.
everyone?
Mohita,
No,
you are also join us.
up. We will go
Yes.
to.
Where are we going?
May I
Join me
also
also.
join you
Yeah,
Yes,
guys?
ma'am.
May
to
I
Club
also
Med.
want to join you guys?
Yes. मैम इट्स ऑल मतलब सब लोग इन्वॉल्व हो गए हमारे कन्वर्सेशन में हमने सबको ऐड कर दिया
That's good.
Aarti, you
That's
are
good,
also
na?
join.
yes
That is group discussion.
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
Actually,
and it's too much funny and like interesting
Yes,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
are going to club now.
Where are you going?
uh, listen,
Club.
listen. May I? Actually, can you please, you guys, help me? One things. My younger brother have some project. Their teacher give some project like science project, experimental. So can
Okay.
you please help me on this?
Experiment.
You all.
what time to say Moita?
What you want to do for science exhibition?
Science
Yes.
exhibition. Actually, science exhibition.
Okay,
He's
okay.
my cousin brother.
So what kind of model he want?
Ah,
Yes.
yes.
Uh, working model.
Working
Working
The
model.
model.
teacher said
Okay.
working model.
So we can make working model for them, for him.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We
Can you
will do.
please suggest suggestion?
Oh,
Which type?
so okay.
Like
Can you?
sometimes hydraulic machine is there. Yeah, I have seen model of the hydraulic machine.
His teacher
And
said it's a very simple. Find some unique.
Try
so
windmill
solar
also
power,
is
solar
yeah
nowadays
windmill
solar power devices are there.
yes
So solar eco-friendly house model are there, and smart city model like I, I have seen in science exhibition, my daughter's science exhibition. I have seen that kind of project.
Okay.
Solar power,
Nice,
which
nice.
car
I
and
Moita
told
all
him.
yes
come.
Moita windmill is also a good idea
Windmill is also good.
Windmill.
yes yes windmill sorry
Windmill
windmill
तो windmill is a थोड़ा सा oldest.
Oldest, eh? Yeah,
Yeah.
hydraulic. You can make hydraulic and
Water
solar
pollution working model. This is also good.
water pollution working model.
Water
This.
pollution.
Air pollution is also very
Ah,
good.
yes. Water
Hmm.
pollution, air
Water
pollution.
pollution is
So
also
there
good.
is any tutorial on YouTube
Yes,
on
there
Yes,
are
this
so many
project?
there are
on
thousands of
YouTube. You can watch it. You can watch it.
Thank you so much,
It
guys.
must be on YouTube.
okay
Wow,
okay
good. That is good conversation. Acha, where did you guys go and order? I heard only surmai dish. I just
yes
heard that.
Yeah, ma'am. Ordered
yes
thali
ma'am Chairman.
and pay bill.
So you went
Yes
to
ma'am
Goa and you
we
continued the
already
conversation from there only, right?
yes ma'am yes
Wow, that's
all
The
great.
all
waiter
are joined with us
Everyone
waiter
is
was
there.
invisible, so
yes yes
Okay, waiter was invisible. Actually, my daughter was crying so much, so I went to see what has happened. So she's,
no ma'am
uh,
no problem it's
yeah,
okay
that's why. Okay, good job. I heard little bit and that was correct. So good job, both of you. So
thank you
अब
ma'am
किसी का करना है conversation? If you guys want to do it, yes, Yasmin and Aarti.
Okay, ma'am. Hi, Aarti.
Hi, Yasmin. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay. Yeah, I am also fine. So, Yasmin, I am planning to go out to lunch for a lunch in a restaurant. Would you like to join me?
Yes, of course. I want to join you. Which
Okay.
restaurant we will go?
Yeah, in nearby our area, we will
Oh,
prefer.
okay.
So, what would you, if you want to some other restaurant, you can recommend me. Would you
Mm,
recommend me some good restaurant?
vegetarian,
Yeah, actually, I am
non-vegetarian.
vegetarian, so but I have no problem if you are non-vegetarian. I
Yes,
can,
I'm vegetarian.
yeah,
Okay.
okay.
It's okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay for me.
Okay. We will
Yeah,
eat vegetarian and non-vegetarian also.
okay, so that is okay.
Mm,
Yeah,
okay.
whatever you want, you can order, and
Oh,
whatever I want, I can order.
yes, yes, of
So,
course. When we
okay,
will go?
we will go after half an hour
After
because lunch.
after half an hour?
Yeah,
Too early?
yes.
How
Okay,
can I? क्या बोलते हैं? How can
okay.
I ready?
So where? So at what time you will be free?
Tomorrow.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
okay.
Soon?
Tomorrow we will go there. Okay,
Okay. We will enjoy and take some pictures and
okay,
talk and gossip some for kind of family's problem and for college girls they are acting something.
okay. So would you like what kind of you like to eat? Like fried rice and baked potato. What kind of things you have eat?
Okay, fried rice, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, मतलब means chicken,
You
chicken.
can you like fish?
Yeah, I don't like fish. I eat only chicken, not mutton. I only eat chicken and biryani.
Okay, and what kind of drink you like?
Uh,
Soda and like
soft drinks.
cold drink, soft
Yes.
drinks you like?
Okay.
Okay,
Which one
so
you
okay.
love?
Okay, I like lemon soda. I like because it is good for digestion. So I like lemon soda
Oh,
and yeah, fried rice. I like.
okay, okay. Tomorrow we will go. We will go.
Tomorrow we will go there and they have some. Tomorrow they have some special
What
menu.
kind of dress you want to wear?
Yeah, I can wear simple jeans and top. And what kind of dress you?
I always wear to abaya now.
Abaya. Okay.
Mm.
So, so what is your favorite place to for eat out like outside?
Outside food, like yeah, gobi Manchurian noodles.
Okay.
Which type of food?
Okay. So do you like busy restaurant like or like
Out,
quite some?
outside stall. That's I love
Nee,
that.
nee, nee, nee. Would you
It's
like
called
busy restaurant
street
like so
food.
many people?
Yes, ma'am. Street food. I love street food.
I also love especially water balls. I love water balls
Okay.
and momos.
Okay. Pani puri. I also.
Yeah, I love them. Uh,
Okay. I also love them.
okay. So um, do how do you often go to dine in a restaurant or at home only home cooked
Which
food you like?
which restaurant? Restaurant?
Any restaurant.
Okay.
Do you
You.
often go or you only prefer home cooked food?
I'm not getting what you want to say.
मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि आप बाहर का खाना काफी प्रेफर करते हैं या घर का ही प्रेफर करते हैं
नहीं
ज्यादा?
बाहर का outside food.
Okay,
I
outside.
love
Okay.
outside food. I always love outside food.
अच्छा, okay.
Every
If you
weekend we will go and eat every weekend.
okay, so
Yes.
do you what? Okay, you like abaya to dress
Yes.
outside, go
Yes.
outside.
Abaya.
Okay,
I should have to wear abaya. Abaya.
okay.
Okay,
Okay, that's it.
that's
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay, tomorrow we will meet at 1 p.m. for lunch. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Definitely.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
We will go by cab or I can book cab.
You
Okay.
can book cab.
Okay.
Yes, Prajakta,
Thank
you
you.
can leave. Good job, everyone. Both of you, good job. Yasmin,
Thank you.
Aarti. Now that it's time, so Mohita and Manna, do you want to do conversation or should we call it a day? Tell me, Vandana and Mohita.
Hello, Mohita.
Hi, Vanna. How are you?
I'm good. You tell.
I am also good.
Which topic you're taking?
Actually, you missed your bus.
Talk to your
Okay.
friend about what you should do next.
Talk
Yeah.
of Rahman.
I
Vandana, I missed my bus for going to Mumbai,
okay.
and
Mhm.
my interview in Mumbai. So,
Okay.
so
We,
what can I do?
okay.
So early.
What is the
I
timing
want
of?
to go. I want to go early.
I
Okay.
wanted
Mm,
to go early.
I
Okay.
wanted to go early
M-
in
Mohita,
Mumbai.
tell me what is the timing of your interview?
My interview timing is 11 a.m.
11 a.m. So we have
Yeah,
1 hour. Okay. I will call to my brother. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. He will pick you.
He will pick you
Uh,
Okay.
up.
he will pick you up. So send me your current location, please.
My current location actually like Kalyan, and I
Send me.
want to go Bandra.
Okay, send me in WhatsApp. Okay,
Yeah,
Mohita.
yeah.
Okay, okay, and uh,
Like distance is like 2 to 3 hours from Kalyan to Bandra.
2 hour.
Approx.
Okay.
ठीक है ये चलो पहुंचाना तो है यार कैसे भी
Go by flight.
I have my personal jet.
You have a personal car.
No, no,
Vanda, you have.
I have my personal jet, airplane. Okay.
That's a good idea, Vanda.
I uh, I have a jet. क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
But
पायलट.
when interviewer said कि you have a personal jet, so why don't you want a job? The cheap job,
Point. Point.
50K salary.
Hmm. Uh,
Tell him
you,
it's my friend's jet, not mine. I want to buy
yes,
jet.
yes, yes.
So he said कि your friend is a really rich person, no? So
Hmm.
she have a
But
company,
but
I
we have
see like
Mohita, but we have and no any more option na. You tell me na 2 hour and कितना time था?
yes. I'm just
So
kidding.
you just kidding, okay.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
ओके मोहिता, ये टॉपिक थोड़ा मतलब आइडिया नहीं आ रहा क्या आगे क्या बोला
Yeah,
जाए.
tricky
सही है.
topic.
Yeah, it's like it's you should have said कि yes, I'll pick you up. And लेकिन आपने तो इशू ही थोड़ा complicated कर दिया. 2 to 3 hours. अब क्या करे बंदा?
बिल्कुल, फिर तो जेट ही पॉसिबल था.
वही वही. या तो इंटरव्यू मिस हो जाए या तो फिर प्राइवेट जेट से भेज दो. Good job, both of you. You made little bit of mistakes, but rest was okay. जो मिस्टेक्स थी मैंने आपको बता दी, करेक्ट कर
आपने
लिया.
मुझे
ठीक है.
बोला था ना मैम, आप बोलते हैं ना कि सोचो भी इंग्लिश में, कुछ भी सोचो कुछ भी। मैं रात को सोते सोते कई बार सोचती हूँ कि ये सही रहेगा। अभी आज ही मेरी मीटिंग थी और मुझे सब सोच रही थी कि हाँ सोचूंगी, ये करूंगी, वो बोलूंगी, ये बोलूंगी, और कुछ भी नहीं बोला। प्रिंसिपल कुछ भी नहीं बोली, मैं कुछ भी नहीं, चुप बैठी रही बस।
क्यों? क्यों ऐसा क्या?
क्योंकि सोच तो रही थी कि हाँ मैं इंग्लिश में सोचूंगी, इंग्लिश में ही सोचना है, बोलना है, पर उस दैट टाइम ये सोचने लगी कि कभी गलत ना हो जाए, गलत हो गया तो
कुछ
ये फिर और
यही तो है, आपको माइंडसेट
इंसल्ट
आपको चेंज
करेंगे।
करना है ना। यही तो आपको चेंज करना है। आप जब तक यही सोचोगे कि मैं मुझसे गलती हो जाएगी, तो फिर गलती होगी तो क्या होगा ना, कोई आपको खा नहीं जाएगा, कोई आपकी इंसल्ट नहीं करेगा। बस होती है गलती, वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, एवरीवन मेक्स मिस्टेक, आई एम बीइंग अ टीचर, आई मेक सो मेनी मिस्टेक्स, राइट। होती है सबसे मिस्टेक। आप ऐसे डरो मत कि हाँ भाई मेरे से मिस्टेक हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, दे विल नॉट कट योर सैलरी, ओके।
नो मैम, वो हाई टी मैंने पूछा, वो भी एक फंक्शन होने वाला है, उन्होंने पूछा कि अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या रखेंगे, तो मैंने कहा हाई टी। तो वो पूछने लगी हाई टी का मीनिंग क्या होता, होता क्या हाई टी, आप मुझे बताओ, एक्सप्लेन, कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन हाई टी।
It's a get together, right, for eating. It's like
आई
kitty
आई
party.
ऑलरेडी टोल्ड हर, बट वो बहुत कंफ्यूज कर रही थी मुझे उस चीज के लिए।
फिर ऐसा होता है कि कोई ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं, दे विल जस्ट डिमोटिवेट यू।
तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि लेट इट गो, मुझे बोलना ही नहीं है।
ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। यू शुड
तो
स्पीक
मैम फिर
जितना आता है।
मुझे यही मान लिया ना मैंने कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता है, सच में नहीं आता है, ठीक है, आई एम ओके विद दिस।
चलो, you have successfully completed the basic month of our English speaking course. Okay, congratulations,
थैंक
all
यू
of
सो
you.
मच मैम।
You have
Thank you,
learned
ma'am.
essential topics, जो essential topics थे, जो basics थे, right, वो सब आपने सीख लिए हैं। Build a solid foundation in a grammar, जो grammar की solid foundation होती है वो आपने build कर ली है। Vocabulary, speaking skills, जो भी confidence building, जो भी थोड़ा बहुत करना था वो आपने कर लिया है। तो इंशाल्लाह जो आके 2 मंथ है उसमें आपको थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा। एंड आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि अब जो है ना, आप एक भी क्लास मिस मत करना, हर क्लास को है ना आप सीरियसली लेना, क्योंकि अब थोड़ा जो है लेवल बढ़ जाएगा। क्योंकि अब जो है, अभी तो हमने सिर्फ सिंपल सिंपल ही सीखा है, राइट, और ये सारी मैंने बोला था आपको पहले भी पता होगा। थोड़ा रिवाइज हो गया आपसे, राइट, रिफ्रेश हो गया, लेकिन अब जो है थोड़े नए टॉपिक आएंगे, थोड़ा नया सीखने को मिलेगा, तो उसको थोड़ा आप थोड़ा सीरियसली लेके करना। तो जो भी आपको गैप पड़ रहा है, इंग्लिश में आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं थोड़ा बहुत जो भी, वो आपका फुलफिल हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Everyone is thanking me, you guys, I will thank you to be with me till this, right. You guys are gem, and you are being with me, that's a really big deal for me. And yes, be with me till the end of this course, ठीक है। तो जो है, वो जो सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट, सेंस ऑफ कंप्लीशन जो है ना, वो आपको मिले। क्योंकि जब है ना हम क्या होता है, एक मिनट, लेट मी जस्ट स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग हियर।